Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost Titanium. This is the 124 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in ruby red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, chrome grille, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim running along the door tops, rear privacy glass, got the 16-inch alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery, and you've got the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing point for the baby seat. Manual rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. You've got rear parking sensors. And this car is equipped with the rear parking camera as well. 60/40 split rear seat. And you've also got the space saver spare wheel in this vehicle. Moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car, on the driver's door, you've got the controls for the front electric windows, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box, and in there you've got a USB plug-in point. $30,993 miles, that's what this car's done. 6-speed gearbox. You've got in the centre console you've got the eco mode button, stop start deactivation switch, and you can turn off the traction control. USB and auxiliary and 12-volt auxiliary plug-in. Dual climate control. You've also got a heated heated steering wheel and heated front seats on this car. 8-inch touchscreen media system. So the radio, you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, and you've also got hands-free phone operation. Full screen navigation, and there's the view from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. You've got lane departure mode on the indicator stalk, that's where you turn it on. On the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. You can answer and reject phone calls from there, and also you've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Leather steering wheel, again with light grey stitching. Moving back outside the car, the identification plate that tells it's the Ford Fiesta Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost, 125 PS engine, and it's a Euro 6 engine. Back outside the car, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.